Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, so today we are gonna discuss the rest things on the dashboard of the Fiverr. In our first video, we have discussed the dashboard section, and today we will cover the rest portion of the dashboard. So let's start from my business. Okay, so in this section we have orders, gig profile, earnings, and Fiverr workspace. Okay, so what orders tab contain? What it means? It's mean whenever you receive any order on the Fiverr, you will have order details in this section. And the gigs are the something that you offer to other peoples, for example, if you are Facebook ads expert and you sell your services as a Facebook ads expert to run Facebook ads for other peoples. Okay, so the next one is profile. Profile means the specific section of your Fiverr profile where you will be seeing everything about your profile information. And earnings tab is where your overall earning and every information about your earning that you have earned on the Fiverr will be shown there. And the Fiverr workspace, mostly people don't use this feature in the start, but with the passage of time, when they see that their business has been grown and now they have more work, more clients, then they are mostly gonna go for Fiverr workspace. Okay, so let's move on the tab growth and marketing. The first one is scale your business. Scale your business. In this tab, Fiverr will teach you what techniques and methods you can use to scale your business on Fiverr. And contacts mean the number of people that till now has contact with you on the Fiverr. Fiverr Learn is the place. In this tab there are hundreds, thousands, millions of people and experts are there who are expert in their field, and they offer their services and they are open to teach you what you want to learn or what you are looking for to learn. Okay, and the next tab is analytics. In this tab you will able to see your overall performance in the Fiverr that you have done from the beginning to now. And the repeat business tab contains the information, something like for example, till now how many customers on the Fiverr are returning buyers of you. Okay, so this is the most important tab, I think so, because this thing represents that how quality work you are offering to your buyers, so that thing make them to keep coming back to you. Okay, so these were just overview. In our next videos we will also discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so let's move on the notification section. In the notification section you will be receiving every notification. For example, if you make any new gig, you will be received a notification from the Fiverr that you have made a new gig, or any update from the Fiverr, any update from the seller, from the buyer, whatsoever that Fiverr thinks that you must be notified. So every information will be there, every notification. Okay, and the next tab is messages. These are messages that you received from the buyers on the Fiverr. And the help and resources. This tab, for example, sometime if you face any issue or you have any query or any question that you think that you want to contact with the Fiverr, so on this tab you can contact directly with the Fiverr, or you can take help from the Fiverr's blogs, articles, Q&A like this. Okay, and the next one is obviously your profile picture, and then this is your earning till now. This is the balance that you have in your Fiverr's wallet. Okay, so here this is inbox. Same thing that you click on the upper, like here as I just showed you, messages. If you can also access your inbox by clicking on this message icon, or you can also see your buyers from here. Okay, so fine. Okay, so this is the new feature that Fiverr newly launched in this month. Fine. So today we have discussed dashboard completely. We have discussed dashboard completely, and in our third lecture on the Fiverr, we will discuss everything in detail one by one so that you can learn everything. So till now, if you have anything in your mind that you think or that you want to ask from us, you can ask us in the comment section below. Okay, so if you think we are providing you valuable content, so you can support us, you can appreciate us by subscribing our channel, by liking this video, and sharing this valuable content to your family and friends to whom you care. Take care of you. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.